Hi, Kathy here with Kathy's Cute Creations. I was not even realizing I was going to do this unboxing of this box that I just received. I thought that I had ordered the remaining supply of buttons that they had at the store for Halloween. So I just wanted some buttons because I wanted to put them on my projects. But anyway, imagine my surprise when I opened up this box, and I'm not subscribed to it. It says that it is a Halloween holiday buttons box, as you can see right there, and it is from Just Another Button Company, and I bought this at the Fat Quarter shop. And the first thing inside when I opened it, this is why I said imagine my surprise, this is on the very top of the box. And like I said, I thought I was just getting buttons. Here's the back of it. And so it looked like this. So I thought I would share it with you. Let's get it open here. And take a look at the buttons that I thought I was ordering. Okay, so it has a little pamphlet. It says Hallows Eve, a special Halloween button box, small catch buttons handmade by us. Move my hands out of the way here. So first off, these are little bitty, and I'm going to put it close to the camera. There's hearts. And these are all black, and they're like different shapes hearts. Looks like flowers, a little square. So let me put that up close to the camera there. And then this is Moon Glow, is what this says. I don't know if that's representing the color or if they glow in the dark. I do not know. And then some blackout buttons, and these are multiple sizes in the pack there. And then the specialty buttons, the Hallows Eve buttons, a special Halloween button box. And so I'll open that here. Here's what it looks like. Let me get it opened. I was going to put that on the Halloween that I'm making. Oh my goodness. Let's see how. There we go. All right. So here's some candy corn. Let's see if I can. Little candy corn. And then there's a little girl with her pigtails spread out there. See if that's better. I don't know. Here's a moon. If I can pick it up, there's a moon. Tell you what, I need to go get my tweezers real quick. Hold on one second. Then there is an owl. There you go. You can see the little holes down here at the bottom to attach him is down underneath his head. Okay. Here is, I don't know what that is. It looked like it could be a snowman head, but I don't think it's a snowman. Let's move it over here. Back it up a little bit to get a better, I don't know if my cameras can't adjust to it or I'm too close. Here's a jack-o'-lantern with a smiling. This makes me think of a totem pole. Here's a cat with a pumpkin on him. Here's a ghost. One of Casper's friends. And what is this? Oh, a bird. I guess I can go like that with him. Okay, that is everything in the box, and when I get that finished. If I do it, I don't know if I'm going to do it or just put the buttons on something else. I'm not quite sure yet. But if I finish it up, I'll show it to you. Okay? Here's everything that was in the box. Hope you like this video. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.